10.2. Exercise 10.2. Already 10.1 is a simple exercise. You can, based on definitions of the vectors and types of the vectors, you can do it. A simple exercise. Here, there all depends on scalars, which is scalar and which is vector, based on that only. So, coming to exercise 10.2. The first one. Compute the magnitude of the vectors. Compute magnitude of A bar equal to I plus j plus k. These are all vectors. B bar is 2i minus 7j minus 3k. C bar is 1 by root 3i plus 1 by root 3j minus 1 by root 3. Compute magnitude of the vectors. Magnitude means modulus. So, the magnitude of the vector, modulus of A bar is square root of I component 1 square, j component square, k component square, 1, 1, 1. So, square root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, root 3. And B bar, modulus of B bar is square root of 2 square plus minus 7 square plus minus 3 square. That is 4 plus 49 plus 9, which is 53 plus 9, 62, root 62. And modulus of C bar is the square root of 1 by root 3 square plus 1 by root 3 square plus minus 1 by root 3 whole square. That is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. That is 1. Since the magnitude of C bar is 1, it is clearly a unit vector. This is a unit vector. Magnitude of a vector in term, once it is given in ijk, xi plus yj plus zk is square root of x square plus y square plus z square itself. Second bit. Write two different vectors having same magnitude. Same magnitude. You have to write two different vectors having same magnitude. Let P bar is the vector xi plus yj plus zk. Let us suppose P bar is xi plus yj plus zk. And Q bar is, let us consider Q bar as xi minus yj minus zk. Here, modulus of P bar equal to modulus of Q bar equal to same, because the square of minus y and minus z is same to that of square of y and z itself. Hence, modulus of P bar is same to that of modulus of Q bar. These two are different vectors, whereas the magnitudes are equal. Hence, the magnitudes of P bar and Q bar are equal, but they are different vectors. Third one, write two different vectors having same direction. Same direction. Write two different vectors having same direction. Very simple. Let A bar is some 2i, of course, and B bar is 5i. Both are in the direction of x-axis itself, positive x-axis. One is of magnitude 2 units and another of magnitude 5 units. So, our vectors along x-axis itself. But modulus of A bar is 2 and whereas modulus of B bar is 5. The magnitudes are different, but the direction is same. Both are along positive x-axis itself. So, these are the vectors along positive x-axis itself. So, modulus of A bar is 2, whereas modulus of B bar is 5. So, these are the two vectors having different magnitude but the direction is same. Fourth one, find the values of x and y so that the vectors 2i plus 3j and xi plus yj are equal. Find the values of x and y so that the vectors are equal. Two vectors are equal. 2i plus 3j is same to that of xi plus yj. Two vectors are equal whenever the components of along coordinate axis, that means components of ijk are equal. So, comparing the components of I and j, comparing components, I comma j, we get x equal to 2, y equal to 3. So, once two vectors are equal, whenever the components are equal, hence we can compare the components of I, j. If the given vectors contains k term also, you can compare k cap components. So, x takes the value 2 and y takes the value 3 here. Problems in exercise 10.2. Fifth problem. Find the scalar. And vector components of the vector with initial point 2 comma 1 and terminal point minus 5 comma 7. Find the scalar and vector components of the vector with initial point 2 comma 1 and terminal point minus 5 comma 7. Let us suppose initial point of the vector is P and terminal point is Q. That is P is 2 comma 1 and Q is minus 5 comma 7. This is our vector PQ bar. Now you have to find the scalar and vector components of this vector. Let P be the point 2 comma 1 and Q be the point minus 5 comma 7. Now position vector of P is OP bar equal to 2i plus j. Based on this point 2i plus j. Along x-axis we are taking 2 units, along y-axis we are taking 1 unit. That's why the position vector of P is OP bar equal to 2i plus j. Similarly, position vector of Q is OQ bar is minus 5i plus 7j plus 7j. These two are two-dimensional vectors. Because the points are two-dimensional, hence we get two-dimensional vectors. OP bar is 2i plus j, the position vector of P. Whereas OQ bar, the position vector of Q is minus 5i plus 7j. Now find the vector PQ bar. PQ bar in terms of its position vectors is position vector of tile minus position vector of head, initial point. Position vector of tile minus position vector of initial point. OQ bar minus OP bar. That is minus 5i plus 7j minus of 2i plus j, which gives us minus 5i minus 2j minus 7i. Minus 5i minus 2i gives us minus 7i plus 7j minus j plus 6j. This is the vector PQ bar. Now the scalar and vector components of vector. The scalar and vector components of vector PQ bar. Vector component of PQ bar on x-axis is minus 7i. Similarly, vector component of PQ bar, the vector PQ bar on y-axis is 6j. These two are vector components. And whereas component of just scalar component of PQ bar on x-axis is only the length of component is minus 7. Length in the sense only component of PQ bar on, once it is negative, we are taking on negative axis. Component of PQ bar on y-axis is 6. These are the scalar components, whereas the vector components are minus 7i plus 6j. the scalar and vector components of the vector on axis, actually on axis with initial point 2 comma 1 and terminal point minus 5 comma 7. These two are components of the vector on x and y axis, that means scalar components. These two are vector components. Next, next one. Eighth problem. Find the unit vector. Find the unit vector in the direction of the vector. In the direction of the vector PQ bar, where P is 1, 2, 3 and Q is the point 4, 5, 6. Find the unit vector in the direction of the vector PQ bar. For that, P and Q are given as 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. The points are given. So, P is given 1, 2, 3 implies OP bar, its position vector is I plus 2j plus 3k. You can write it in position vector form. Once you join that point to the origin, we get the position vector. That position vector of that point is I plus 2j plus 3k. Similarly, Q is given 4, 5, 6 implies OQ bar equal to 4i plus 5j plus 6k. Now PQ bar, the vector PQ bar is in terms of its position vectors, position vector of tile minus position vector of head, position vector of ending point minus position vector of initial point gives us the vector PQ bar. OQ bar minus OP bar. Subtracting OP bar from OQ, we get 4i minus i. That gives us 3i. 5j minus 2j. 3j. 6k minus 3k. That gives us 3k. That is PQ bar. Now unit vector. Unit vector in the direction of PQ bar equal to PQ bar by modulus of PQ bar. The unit vector in the direction of PQ bar is PQ bar by modulus of PQ bar. That is 3i plus 3j plus 3k by its magnitude. Modulus of 3i plus 3j plus 3k. But modulus of a vector given in its component form is 3i plus 3j plus 3k by square root of 3 square, I component square, j coefficient square, k coefficient square. So that is root 27. Root 27 means 3 root 3. So 1 by 3 root 3 into 3i plus 3j plus 3k. You can take 3 common and cancel these 3. So the required unit vector along, unit vector parallel, not parallel, unit vector in the direction of PQ bar is 1 by root 3 into I plus j plus k. Whereas in this problem, instead of this term in the direction of, suppose find the unit vector parallel to that of the vector PQ is given. In such case, vector parallel to PQ bar, unit vector. Once he asked unit vector parallel to PQ bar instead of in the direction. Unit vector parallel to PQ bar is equal to plus or minus PQ bar by its magnitude. You can take either plus or minus. In such case, the required parallel unit vector is plus or minus 1 by root 3 into 1 plus I plus j plus k. Unit vector parallel to the vector is different from unit vector in the same direction of the vector. This is the unit vector in the same direction. This is the vector in the same direction of PQ bar. But whereas this is the vector parallel to PQ bar. This is PQ, of course. This is PQ bar. The unit vector parallel to this vector means it may be in the same direction or it may be in opposite direction, parallel in the sense. But whereas this is this one in the direction of PQ itself. Whenever you take plus, we get the vector, unit vector in the direction of PQ itself. A slight difference between these two. Once he asked unit vector parallel to PQ bar, take plus or minus once parallel unit vector is needed. That is the difference between the unit vector in the same direction or unit vector parallel to the given vector. Okay, next. Next, 10th problem. The remaining problems are similar to that of these problems. Very simple problems. Find a vector in the direction of vector 5i minus j plus 2k, which has magnitude 8 units. Which has magnitude 8 units. Find a vector in the direction of given vector which has magnitude 8 units. For that, let A bar is 5i plus j plus 2k. Let the given vector be A bar. Now vector, not unit vector, vector in the direction of A bar having magnitude 8 units equal to 8 A cap, where A cap is the unit vector along A bar. That is 8 into A bar by modulus of A bar. A cap in the sense unit vector along A bar in the direction of A bar. Hence, I am taking plus sign. So, 8 into unit vector along A bar is 5i minus j plus 2k by its magnitude, square root of 25 plus 1 plus 4. This is 30. 8 by root 30 into 5i minus j plus 2k itself. Any vector having required magnitude, in the direction of the given vector is obtained by that magnitude multiplied by the unit vector in the direction of the given vector. 8 A cap. A cap stands for unit vector in the direction of A bar. That is given by A bar by modulus of A bar. Hence, multiply the unit vector along A bar with 8 gives us the vector in the same direction of A bar having magnitude 8. The magnitude of this vector is clearly 8. Next, 11th one. Show that the vectors 2i minus 3j plus 4k and minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k are collinear. The two vectors are collinear. We have to show that the vectors are collinear. Let A bar is 2i minus 3j plus 4k. B bar is minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k. Let us suppose the given vectors are A bar and B bar. Now, drs of vector A bar or drs, direction ratios of the vector A bar are 2, minus 3, 4. 2, minus 3, 4. Ijk components. The components of any vector along coordinate axis. Components of any vector along coordinate axis gives us direction ratios. Similarly, drs of B bar are minus 4, 6, minus 8. Here 2 by minus 4 is same to that of minus 3 by 6 is same to that of 4 by minus 8. These two are proportional. 2 by minus 4 is same to that of minus 3 by 6. Similarly, that is equal to 4 by minus 8 itself. Hence, since drs are a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2 follows, the two vectors are parallel. Once they are parallel, they are collinear. Hence, A bar is parallel to B bar. Therefore, A bar comma B bar are collinear. Parallel vectors are always collinear. Parallelism of the vectors. Once the two vectors are in such a way, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, the ijk components are in proportional, then you can say the two vectors are parallel. Once they are parallel, they are always collinear. Parallel vectors are always collinear. Next, 12th one. Find the direction cosines of the vector. Find the direction cosines of vector I plus 2j plus 3k. Find the DCs of the vector I plus 2j plus 3k. This is also very simple. Let the vector be A bar is I plus 2j plus 3k. Therefore, DRs of the vector A bar are 1, 2, 3, A1, B1, C1. Once DRs are known to us, therefore DCs of A bar are 1 by square root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square. So, this is 9, comma 2 by square root of 1 plus 4 plus 9, 3 by square root of 1 plus 4 plus 9 itself. That is 1 by root 14, 2 by root 14, 3 by root 14 itself. The DCs of the vector are respectively 1 by root 14, 2 by root 14, 3 by root 14. That means this vector makes alpha angle with x-axis, then this is the value of cos alpha. Suppose this vector is making beta angle with y-axis, this is cos beta. Suppose this vector makes gamma angle with z-axis, this is cos gamma. This is cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, where alpha, beta, gamma are the angles made by the vector, here vector, with coordinate axis in the positive direction. That gives us the DCs of the vector. Instead of lines, just I am saying a vector. In case of three-dimensional geometry, if a line makes alpha, beta, gamma angles with the positive direction of coordinate axis, then cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are direction cosines of that line. In similar way, instead of line, just we are taking a vector. Suppose a vector is making alpha, beta, gamma angles with the positive direction of axis Ox, Oy, Oz respectively, then cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, cosine of that angles gives us direction cosines. Any proportionate values to the direction cosines gives us direction ratios. Thirteenth one. Find DCs of the vector joining A 1, 2, minus 3 and B minus 1, minus 2, 1 directed from A to B. Directed from A to B. This is also same to the top one, previous one. But whereas you have to find the vector A B bar, because A and B are joined. For that, A is given in ordered triplet form, point form, three-dimensional point form. So, A is 1, 2, minus 3 implies the position vector of A, OA bar is I plus 2j minus 3k itself. The point B is given in its three-dimensional point form, minus 1, minus 2, 1. Hence, the position vector of the point OB bar is minus I minus 2j plus k itself. Therefore, the vector is directed from A to B, hence find AB bar. Since the vector is directed from A to B, find AB bar. AB bar is OB bar minus OA bar. Position vector of B minus position vector of A. Position vector of B minus of position vector of A is I plus 2j minus 3k. Collecting I terms minus 2i. Collecting j terms minus 2j minus 4j. Collecting k terms k plus 3k, that gives us 4k. Now the DCs to get DCs of a vector, find the unit vector. The components of unit vector gives us the DCs. So therefore drs otherwise here, drs of AB bar is, drs or AB bar minus 2, minus 4 and 4. These are the drs. So DCs of AB bar or minus 2 by square root of 4 plus 16 plus 16. Similarly minus 4 by square root of 4 plus 16 plus 16. Similarly 4 by square root of 4 plus 16 plus 16. This is 36. Hence the 6 minus 4 by 6, 4 by 6 itself. These are minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. Sum of the squares of direction cosines is always equal to 1. This is L, this is M, this is N. So we know that L square plus M square is 1. So clearly that follows here, 1 by 9 plus 4 by 9 plus 4 by 9, which gives us 9 by 9, 1 follows. So the direction cosines of the vector, are obtained by ijk components of the unit vector along that vector. Unit vector parallel to that vector or along that vector gives us the direction cosines of that vector. Otherwise, straight away write drs and find DCs. Next problem, 14th problem. Show that the vector I plus j plus k is equally inclined to the axis. Ox, Oy and Oz. Show that the given vector is equally inclined with the positive direction of the coordinate axis. So for that find the direction cosines of the vector. So A bar is I plus j plus k. Therefore drs or drs of A bar or 1 comma 1 comma 1 are equal. Therefore DCs of A bar are 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. So cos alpha is 1 by root 3, cos beta is 1 by root 3, cos gamma is 1 by root 3. Hence the vector is making alpha, beta, gamma angles with the coordinate axis. Then cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are equal here. Hence alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. Therefore A bar is equally inclined with Ox, Oy, Oz itself, because the direction cosines are equal here. Cos alpha equal to cos beta equal to cos gamma. Hence alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. You can conclude like that. Once DCs are 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, then that vector or line makes equal angles with the coordinate axis. Hence that vector is equally inclined with the coordinate axis. Next, 15th one. Find the position vector of a point. Find the position vector of a point or which divides the line joining two points. The line joining two points P and Q, whose position vectors are I plus 2j minus k and minus I plus j plus k respectively. In the ratio 2:1 internally and externally. The first case internal division case and the second one is external case. Find the position vector of a point R that divides the line joining the points P and Q, where the position vectors of P and Q are given in the ratio 2:1 internally and externally. So OP bar, position vector of P, is I plus 2j minus k. Position vector of Q minus I plus j plus k. Now, first case, position vector of R that divides PQ, the line segment PQ, in 2:1 internally. That is OR bar, internal division point. Once PQ position vectors are, of course, these two are position vectors, OP bar, OQ bar. OR divides PQ in the ratio 2:1. Now, OR bar, I am finding OR bar. OR bar is 2 into position vector of Q, 1 into position vector of P, 2 into OQ bar plus 1 into OP bar by 2 plus 1. That is 2 into OQ bar by section formula. OQ bar is minus I plus j plus k plus OP bar I plus 2j minus k by 3 itself. The position vector of division point of PQ, the line segment PQ in the ratio 2:1 is 2 into OQ bar plus 1 into OP bar by 2 plus 1. 2 into position vector of Q plus 1 into position vector of P by 2 plus 1. The simplification, collecting the like terms here, minus 2i plus I, minus I, plus 2j plus 2j plus 4j plus 2k minus k plus k by 3. So that OR bar here, internal division point position vector, OR bar in this case is minus 1 by 3 I plus 4 by 3 j and 1 by 3 k. This is the position vector of the internal division point of PQ in the ratio 2:1. Similarly, external division point, position vector of R that divides PQ in 2:1 ratio externally. That is OR bar. In this case, OR bar is 2 into OQ bar minus 1 into OP bar by 2 minus 1. External division case, M into OQ bar minus N into OP bar by M minus N. That is 2 into position vector of Q minus position vector of P by 1. Collecting like terms, minus 2i minus I, minus 3i, plus 2j minus 2j, cancel, 2k plus k, plus 3k. This is the position vector of division point which divides PQ externally with the ratio. This is OP bar, this is OQ bar, this is the required position vector. Here PR is to QR is 2:1. This is external division case, this is internal division case. The position vectors of internally and externally division points of the line segment. The given ratio is here 2:1. Okay. Sixteenth problem. Find the position vector of midpoint of the vector joining the points. Find the position vector of midpoint of joining the points P 2, 3, 4, Q 4, 1, minus 2, minus 2. Find the position vector of midpoint of joining the points P and Q. The given points is P. Once P is 2, 3, 4, its position vector OP bar is 2i plus 3j plus 4k. Similarly, Q is given 4, 1, minus 2. That implies OQ bar, its position vector is 4i plus j minus 2k. So, the position vectors of the given 2 points is 2i plus 3j plus 4k, 4i plus j minus 2k. Let R be midpoint of PQ, line segment PQ. Therefore, the position vector of midpoint OR bar, position vector of midpoint is midpoint of PQ is OP bar plus OQ bar by 2 itself. Position vector of tile plus position vector of head by 2 gives us the midpoint position vector. Sum of these two vectors by 2, 2i plus 3j plus 4k plus 4i plus j minus 2k by 2 itself, 6i plus 4j, collecting k terms plus 2k by 2. Taking 2 common and cancellation of 2 in the denominator, we get 3i plus 2j plus k is the required position vector of the midpoint of the line segment P. Next one. Show that the points A, B, C with position vectors A bar equal to 3i 4j minus 4k, B bar equal to 2i minus j plus k, C bar equal to I minus 3j minus 5k respectively, form the vertices of a right angle triangle. The vertices of a right angled triangle. Show that the points A, B, C, whose position vectors are A bar, B bar, C bar are given here, form the vertices of a right angle triangle. Given here, position vector of point A, A bar is 3i plus 4j minus 4k. OB bar is B bar, that is 2i minus j plus k. OC bar is C bar, I minus 3j minus 5k. Therefore, the point A is from the position vector, you can develop the points straight away. 3 minus 4 minus 4. Similarly, B is 2 minus 1, 1. And C is 1 minus 3 minus 5. So, these are the points forms a triangle. Now, we have to show that these points forms a right angle triangle. So, therefore, find the distance, the side length of the side AB. By distance formula straight away you can write 3 minus 2 whole square minus 4 plus 1 whole square minus 4 minus 1 whole square. That gives us 1 plus 9 plus 25 root 30. Similarly, find BC. and BC. The distance between the points BC is, by distance formula, 2 minus 1 whole square minus 1 plus 3 whole square 1 plus 5 whole square 1 plus 5 whole square. This is 1 plus 4 plus 36, which gives us 41. CA, the distance between C and A, is 3 minus 1 whole square minus 4 plus 3 whole square minus 4 plus 5 whole square. That is 4 here, 1 plus 1, root 6. Clearly, AB square plus CA square. AB square plus CA square is BC square. Therefore, triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. So that angle A is 90. The right angle is at the vertex A, and triangle ABC becomes a right angle triangle. In triangle ABC, which of the following is not true? Which of the following is not true? The related figure is here. AB bar, this is BC bar, and this is AC bar. Okay. The options are here. AB bar plus BC bar plus CA bar is 0 bar. The second one is AB bar plus BC bar minus AC bar is 0. Third one, AB bar plus BC bar minus CA bar is 0. Fourth one, D is AB bar minus CB bar plus CA bar is 0. Which of the following is not true in the given triangle? In case of the given triangle from the figure, which option is not followed? Now let us take the first one, first case. Here, first one, AB bar plus BC bar plus CA bar equal to, from these two, the end of this vector is coincides with the head of this vector. Hence, on joining these two vectors, you can write AC bar. Again, by vector addition, AC bar plus CA bar may be written as AA bar, which is clearly 0 bar. AA bar represents a point A whose length is 0, hence it is null vector. So, A follows here. As per direction of the vectors, AB bar plus BC bar plus CA bar. CA bar is of course, AB bar plus BC bar gives us AC bar. But we are taking plus CA bar. Plus CA bar means you can write it as minus CA bar. Once you transfer this vector to this side, we get 0 bar. on the right hand part, which is valid here. The second one is B is AB bar plus BC bar minus AC bar equal to. This is AC bar minus AC bar. On cancellation, clearly 0 bar. Valid. The third one is AB bar plus BC bar minus CA bar. From these two, we get AC bar. This is minus CA bar. But whereas it can be written as AC bar plus AC bar itself. On reversing the positions of tail and head of this vector, the minus becomes plus. So plus AC bar, which is nothing but twice to the AC bar. It is not equal to 0 bar. Hence it does not follows. C does not follows. Similarly, coming to D. AB bar minus CB bar plus CA bar equal to AB bar. You can reverse these two terms. 3, 2. We get BC bar here plus CA bar, which is nothing but AC bar plus CA bar, which is AA bar. 0 bar follows. Hence it follows. This is wrong, which does not follows. So C is the right option. Here C is the right option. Okay. Even 19th problem is already the definition of collinear points itself already given to you. Once A bar and B bar are two collinear vectors. Once A bar and B bar are two collinear vectors, one vector can be expressed as the scalar multiple of the other. Hence B bar may be equal to lambda A bar, where lambda is a scalar. That follows. Moreover, equal A bar may be equal to B bar, or A bar may be equal to B bar in magnitude and having maybe direction, opposite direction. So AB follows here. The respective components of A bar and B bar are proportional. Because collinear, C follows. Both the vectors A bar and B bar have same direction but a different magnitude. D may not follows. Incorrect. That is, D is incorrect here. In 19th problem, D is incorrect. So it is straight away by definition of collinearity or parallel vectors concept. In 19th problem, the option D is incorrect. It is just by definition of collinear vectors, you can develop that one. So that completes the exercise 10.2 based on vector addition and scalar multiple of a vectors, section formula and other one.